I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip now.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're just gonna go for a little bit of a dive and try target some lobsters. I have been here before and managed to get a few. Yeah, so that's the plan. There's not heaps of fish life around here or abalone, but yeah, we're solely targeting lobsters, but you never know what we're gonna get. Could be some flathead. We're only gonna take the small gun. But yeah, hopefully, if you see this episode, then we got something. But if you don't,
we did.
Who knows? So yeah, pretty beautiful conditions today. We're all kitted up and yeah, we're about to jump in the water. So got the GoPro and yeah, let's go, let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We just we went for a dive and it was a successful one. We got 2 crayfish each. These 2 being the biggest. Show you guys. These are really nice, solid eastern rock lobsters. Probably in the water for about an hour. 2 abalone and a nice big cuttlefish. Just gonna spend a bit of time cleaning the cuttlefish. We're just at Blake's now. Might do a bit of a catch and cook. But yeah, just thought I'd update you on this dive anyway while I've got the good camera. And yeah, pretty chuffed about this. This is the first time Blake's ever gotten 2 lobsters, so he did really well today as well. So yeah, awesome. What's cracking, guys? Welcome back. We're about to do a bit of a lobster cook up here. Went to Woolworths, grabbed all the ingredients that we're gonna need for this recipe. Now that's at a nice rolling boil, we just want to go ahead and add the lobsters. Now these guys have been on ice for over 24 hours, so they're well and truly dead.
It's nice big lobster. Second one.
So the technique to getting these perfect lettuce bowls is to pinch the stem of the lettuce connecting the most recent layer. You just want to pinch and then peel back slowly the lettuce, and that will give you a nice lettuce bowl like that. Alright, so we've just removed the lobsters out of the boiling water. We've placed them in this container here. This was full of cold water. It's the best thing to do for lobsters. It makes it easier for handling as well. So what we'll do now, so there you're left with some beautiful white cooked lobster meat. Beautiful, beautiful lobster meat. Perfectly cooked. Alright, so we've just diced up the lobster tails. We've kept the legs, we're gonna eat them in the morning. It's just, we've got the abalone and some other stuff going on here. So how this is gonna work, we are going to add a generous amount of lobster into the lettuce bowl, like that. I'm gonna add some of the salsa. I added avocado into this as well, just to give it a bit more taste. Some of these alfalfa sprouts onto that there. A few mint leaves. Lastly, we got some hoisin sauce that I think will go very well with this dish. So I'm gonna pass it over to Alex.
Eat these.
Like a salad taco.
Okay.
Good bite. Let's do that cross section.
Yeah, no, it's good with the soy sauce.
Yeah.
Very good.
Alright, we're gonna dig into this. I'm gonna finish this off, and I'll catch you on the next episode.